In this video I will explain how we can do stock in section for purchasing. Okay, so click on back office. In stock, here in stock in we can make our purchases. Okay, and here we can add our stock refund. This is for shrinkage and this is for stock taking. Okay, and final is if we are going to pay to our suppliers, so from payment bill, we will do the payment section. Okay, so let's quick jump to stock in. Okay, before that, in basics, in PLU, okay, if you have some items, so this must be okay. In PLU, let me show you. When I double click this price and stock, so this option is mandatory. Okay, if this is checked, so in purchasing this item will be visible. Okay, if not, then this item will be disabled, it's not showing there. Okay, so must check this option. Then in stock in option, we'll make a new purchase order. Okay, so now we have to select the employee who is going to receive, like the admin, and who is the supplier. Like I add test, and if you add any, so it will be visible here. Just double click, and then some extra details like invoice number or any note. Okay, so invoice will be 1 2 3, and when I click add, so we can add one item, and if I click add batch add, then we can select multiple items. Like this suppliers bringing some different items, so we can batch add. So let me add a product, select a PLU, let's say okay, this item we want to purchase. So it says how much quantity you are going to purchase. Okay, like 12 piece, and how much is the purchase price, like 1.5, sorry, okay, 1.5, and click OK, and then save. If you have other item, any item, so you can just add into the list. And after checking everything, the stock in price, everything is good to go, then you can just click on check. So when you click on check, the stock is verified, and then it is updated on your database. Okay, see, it's checked now, and now it's updated. Okay, so in other hand, if you are going to refund, so just click this one, same procedure, click on new, who is going to make a refund, and then any other, like this is for the which supplier. If you are going to add some note for the refund, so you can add your custom note, and then you can select your product. From here you can select your PLU, and if you are going to select the item like the same product. Okay, so what's the refund quantity? Okay, you can mention it, and then just click save, and the stock will be deducted, and it will show in the stock ledger. Okay, I'll show you later in other video. Okay, and now same, we did the purchase, and now we are going to pay to the supplier. So on payment bill, we are going to make new. Okay, and from here we can select our supplier, and I click OK, and when I click add, so from this supplier how many bills we took, so all bills will be visible here. Okay, so if you are going to pay this invoice, just double click it. Okay, so how much is the amount, and we can put the payment amount here. Okay, so if you are going to pay full, you can write same amount. If you are going to pay partial, just add any amount, like 50, and more extra note if you want to add with the payment, so we can add. Okay, let's suppose it's a test, and then I click save, and if everything is okay, for a confirmation we should click check. So when it is checked, so now payment is made. Okay, here paid amount and the payment status is still no. When all payment is done, then the status will be yes. Okay, so it's like this. You can do all this, and in report section, you can see your stock report. Let me show you some stock report here. So if stock is available, it will visible here, and if not, then it is showing in red. Okay, now the payment bill, if I click here and just click search, so in payment bill, see all the details is here, from which supplier, transaction date, and see how much is payable amount and all these things. Okay, so you can continue like this.